We're on our way to the Hoover Dam. We've been like on the road for about an hour?
No, it's just
30 minutes?
Yeah,
from Vegas. There's lots of people taking pictures and videos. Hi guys, I am at the Hoover Dam today. This is my first time here, so I'm really excited. And look at this, isn't it beautiful? I'm a nature girl, so anything that has to do with nature I enjoy. So I'm gonna show you guys around. Hi Moses.
Hi.
Say hi to my... Oh, say hi in Arabic.
مرحبا.
It's so hot.
Money.
So I'm just looking over downhill, and people seem to be throwing coins and stuff down. A whole bunch of coins. I'm sure if we collect this, we could probably go and have a good time gambling in Vegas.
This is Arizona, this is Nevada. Look, the funny thing, they divide the part. This is in Arizona.
Arizona time?
The dam is divided, but it's federal land anyway. You know what I mean?
Nevada, yeah. So if we look this way, it's Arizona.
Yeah.
If we look that way, it's Nevada. Is that funny or what? There's boats down there. So that's Arizona time over there, and then this is Nevada time.
This is Nevada time.
Bye. Hoover Dam. It's so pretty. Look! Yeah! Look at that, there's a tunnel. This is nice, look at this. Ooh la la, I like it. Let's go. Oh man, I'm in jeans. Should I swim in my underwear? We could see all the stuff down there going on. There's jet skis and boats. That's interesting. jet ski. We're in the middle of who knows where. And we're on a jet ski. Oh, I'm so afraid of tipping over. I've actually tipped over once before in the ocean, so I'm a little scared. It's so pretty out here. My hand's shaking. How's this? Say hello.
Hi.
Okay. Pressing on the gas. I'm literally shaking right now. It's fun though. Should be good. Should be good. I didn't even know we were gonna come, so I'm in my jeans and my tennis shoes. I am terrified. We're heading over to Korea. We've been kayaking, jet skiing, and it's been going so fast, and I'm so terrified. I don't want to tip over.
Hi everybody. We are at Hoover Dam.
Crazy driver.
Crazy driver.
I'm shaking. I'm so scared.
I love it. You wanna drive?
Alright guys, so I'm going to put my camera away to keep it safe. Thank you guys for joining us, and we'll see you in the next video. Here, my camera made it back alive. Fitting numbers. would love this.
Okay, we're gonna go. Which fish you gonna eat right now? We're gonna cook
right.
which fish? You wanna cook one of them? Now we cook one of them. They're not scared.
Oh my God.
Really, I'm not scared. Look.
They want to eat your fingers.
Come here. Come.
Oh my gosh, look at that, look at that.
Oh, it's stupid. I keep giving you, you don't do it.
Go ahead and put your hand right in there. Take a look.
Yeah, this one for you. The big mouth. Who wants skeleton? Good chance.
They have big mouths.
No, he doesn't want to kick
Oh my gosh, look at that.
That's how I don't be scared and I'll touch it.